Good morning, Daryl. I'm Craig from TruckSmart. I thought I'd be able to show you a face to the voice. Also show you this 2020 ISUZU NPR-HD that we were speaking about. I'm going to do a walk-around video for you with my internet manager, Mike. You'll notice on the inside, this truck was actually set up for Fedex delivery, so you have the shelving. The bottom shelving folds down, the top shelving is stationary. You also have an aluminum floor and a step-up bumper with a slide-out ramp. Give you a cold startup also. Notice the truck has 46,586 miles, no check engine lights or warning lights. Cruise control over here, AM, FM, CD player. Once again, your backup camera. Thanks again for watching my video. I'm looking forward to speaking with you soon. I know we're supposed to have a conversation this morning. Once again, looking forward to talking to you.